Hello everyone, it's me Nabeel Ahmed and welcome to my YouTube channel Code with Nabeel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you the art architecture, BR architecture, which is made by HTML and CSS. You can see here the button project about context, and this is the banner architecture. Alright, you can see the projects: summer houses, bricks, renovated, barn house, renovated, bricks, and summer houses. These are the project about section, and these are the architecture, CEO and founder, micros, Dan star. These are the architecture. These are basically a client work which is offered by USA client. These are basically the contact forms, names, emails, subjects, comments, and also the same message. If we write the name, I'm refreshing and gmail.com. See, there is the subject, build a house, then comment nothing, and you can click on this and message the submit form data. Your input was received as Nabeel Ahmed Qureshi, email, and subject build the commentary. Alright, not this tutorial not teach you that how servers the processing and processing tutorial. The server has been processed. See here. Alright, this is the basically form page, and these are the architecture location. Basically is the client work which I create a simple one. You can see here is the contact. You can contact, and these are the project about. I didn't respond on this website, right? It's not a responsive website, but it's a basically simple project and simple architecture. Here I use the 1080 pixel picture, and I use the BR picture as well, BR architecture. You can see here. Now I'm going to show you that these are the projects which is created by maybe. These is the about, and John Doe, micros, and Dan star. These are the CEO and founder, architect, and architect. These are basically the architect. You can contact, and these are the contact. If you submit another name, for example John Wick, and John Wick @gmail.com, luxury house you ever made, comment is best house. You can put another subject like location, etc. When you send your message, the submit form data, your input was received as name John Wick, and email johnwick@gmail.com. Subject is luxury house in made, comment is comment based data. Service response, because I web hosting video. This is the, you can see. So basically this is the website, and this is my channel. If you guys new on my channel, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. I can upload it different videos about the HTML and CSS websites. These are the websites. You can share the link of my channel in description. Kindly watch and subscribe the YouTube channel. Thanks.